Hi, this is Ha-neul, and welcome to my kitchen. Injeolmi toast. It's chewy, nutty, and fulfilling dessert. To be honest, I think it is more like a pan-grilled injeolmi sandwich or something like that. But anyway, let's get started. This is injeolmi. It is a type of rice cake that has a chewy texture and nutty flavor. Cut it into thin slices. If it's too thick, you won't be able to eat much of it. However, if you prefer thicker slices, then go ahead. It's no problem. Next, get your bread slices and spread about half a spoon of honey on each slices. Then, place the injeolmi slices on a bread slice and cover it with the other slice. Now, you have your injeolmi sandwich. Let's cook it. Put some butter on your pan and melt it on medium heat. When the butter turns brown and starts to sizzle, lower the heat and add the injeolmi sandwich we just made. Cook it for about 2 minutes, then turn it over and cook it for another 2 minutes. And don't forget to add more butter like I did. When it's done, just sprinkle some roasted bean powder, add some honey, and it's done. Your injeolmi toast is ready to serve. Thanks for watching. Let me know in comments below if you have any questions, suggestions, or something like that. And I see you again with another delicious recipe. See ya!